Today I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your WildApricot site using DropInBlog. I'm already on the back end of WildApricot, so on the left-hand side I will select Website. And then once that loads, we'll go ahead and select Add Page at the top left. Perfect. And then under page name, I'm going to call ours blog. And then under page URL, we will also change that to blog. For the page template, you can go ahead and select whichever one you prefer, but we're going to leave ours as the standard template. Scroll down to access level and change that to public instead of admin only. This just ensures that any of your visitors on your site will also be able to view your blog. And then that's all we need to do in this section. When you're done, just select Save at the top. Awesome. Now we can see our blog page has been created, and we can go ahead and select Edit, and then click on Gadgets. Once you do that, we'll see several options here. We're going to select Custom HTML and then drag and drop that over to your body of the new page. I'm going to put ours right there and then select that box, and on the left-hand side, you'll see a button that appears which says Edit Code. So we can click on that and we'll see our HTML box appear here. This is when you need to go over to DropInBlog. So I already have that open in another tab. I'm going to click that and head over to Code and Layout, and then copy step 1's code. Go back over to WildApricot and paste that in, and then go back to DropInBlog, copy step 2's code, paste that in, and then select Save at the bottom. Perfect. We can see our blog has already auto-populated. Make sure you do click Save in the top left-hand corner. Great. Now we can select Public View at the top right. And this is what visitors will see when they visit your page and your blog page specifically. We can see that it has successfully integrated, but we do have one more step. Go ahead and copy the URL. Go back into DropInBlog and go to Settings, and then under Settings, we will paste in that new URL. Scroll down and select Save All Changes, and you're done. You have successfully integrated your blog from DropInBlog over to WildApricot, and now they are communicating back and forth. Happy blogging!